Hello, my name is Charlie Price. I'm one of the music teachers at Edison High School in Minneapolis, Minnesota. It's April 2020, which means right now we're dealing with distance learning. It's a challenge for our students to have to be learning on computers at home, and it's a challenge for us teachers learning new technologies to try and reach as many students as possible. I have a couple piano classes, and it's especially hard to teach piano classes when you're not with the students, playing piano with them and listening to them. So the best thing I could come up with is making these tutorials. There'll be a lot of different tutorials because as I'm going to go through the curriculum, sometimes we'll be covering just one page at a time, maybe 2 pages at a time, because there's different things we learn along the way. Now, if you're someone who ran across these tutorials and are not one of my students, you are welcome to join us, but what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get 2 books, and I will show you right now. We have the Alfred book, published by Alfred Publishing, and it's the Adult All-in-One Course, Volume 1. The other book is the Bastian book, Piano for Adults. Now, the interesting thing about the Bastian book was James Bastian wrote a book years ago, and this one is by Jane Simpson Bastian, Lisa Bastian, and Lori Bastian, which I'm going with the assumption that's his wife and daughters, and they've taken the book that he had and expanded it. Now, as we go through these things, on the tutorials, they're going to be labeled A and a number, or B and a number. So the A is for the Alfred book, B is for the Bastian book. I hope this works out for you, well for you, and let's just have some fun. Thank you.